Alright, so background is Basil cardstock. And hello, everyone. um, and the mixed media pattern is Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. And my photo mat is Basil cardstock as well. Oh yeah, here's by Walmart. Okay. That circle and plaid print pattern is cut from Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. The die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up die cut products. They're Hip Kit Club's exclusive. Pretty much everything in this kit was stickers, die cuts. Everything was Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. Because the chipboard stickers are also from Cozy Up. Is all from that is the puppy fray stickers from Cozy Up from Hip Kit Club. Hip Kit Club. Sorry. I use the stickers, the chipboard, the puppy fray stickers. And yeah, that's it. The commas, however, are from American Crafts and Thickers. Alright, so I'm just working on gluing my embellishment clusters down. So my husband and I decided we're going to go to Miller's Ale House, to eat dinner, and that is a new restaurant that opened up in the Villages. There's ale houses in Orlando, and I know there's one in Ocala, but this one is new to the Villages, so it's always packed, actually. So hopefully we can get in without too much of a wait, because he's hungry, I'm hungry. Yeah. And then this video, my husband came in while I was recording, and he's like, you know what? You never use me in your videos. So I'm going to use him in this video in just a minute. He's going to put some stuff down for me. And I just told him, I said, I didn't know you wanted to be. He's come in while I was recording before. And he's like, and I'm like, it's okay. I'm going to do voiceover, so it's okay. Say what you need to say. So there we are. He's going to put, I don't even know. Oh, he's putting my hearts down. And now I'm putting my title down. So he glued my hearts for me because he wanted him to be in my video. That's funny. And he gave me his live location, so I see he is almost home. I'm going to finish this voiceover, and by the time I'm done, he should be home. So that's awesome. I know. Alright, so I'm going to, like I said, glue my title down. Or actually it's stickers, so I'll just put it down. But a lot of times these stickers, sometimes I have found they end up coming off my layouts. So I end up having to glue them. And these I did not, and I probably should have. And my husband is almost home. So yay. So I'm just gonna finish gluing everything down. And then I am going to put some enamel shapes down within my embellishment clusters. And then once I get that done, that is all I do to this layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. My husband is almost home, so I'm going to say goodbye and I'll be back. Bye.